Hello everyone, my name is Allan, and in this video I will be doing an analysis on the AdventureWorks database. So here I got the second query, which is list of all product that is already ready for sale, made by Factory that have low stock. And this is the query. And if we try to run this query, it will result in an error, and the error said that the query could not find the stock quantity column inside the WO, or in this case the work order table. And if we confirm it by looking at here, the work order table and below columns, it is stated that there are no there are no stock quantity uh, columns. And so we will try to get the this stock quantity without using the work order table. Okay, so to for us to get this stock quantity, a solution that I have is that we can go to the product product schema and go to the product inventory table, and we go to columns, and we see that this product inventory table has a column called quantity, and the quantity set, uh, here we can see that it has a comment that said quantity of products in the inventory location. And so we are going to use this column as our uh, stock quantity. Okay, so for us to change this WO dot stock quantity, or warehouse or work order dot stock quantity, to product inventory dot quantity, uh, we can just add a join here, and we can just join the production dot product inventory, which is the table that we want to join, and we will just specify this as PI on on the product on the production dot product table, and we will just do product ID just like the rest, and then we join it with the pi dot product ID as well. And after that we just change this aggregate function with pi dot quantity, and we just change this also to quantity, and we can um, specify this as stock quantity. Okay, and so if we try to run this, and as you can see, it can already show the product ID, the product name, the subcategory, and the category, the order quantity, and the stock quantity, the safety stock level, and the reorder point. Okay, so now we want to know the performance of this query. And to do that, we can just type in explain analyze before this selection statement. And so if we run all of this, we can see that the query will display its performance. And as we can see here, the execution time is 85.278 milliseconds. And if we look at this query plan, we can see that it still uses lots of sequential scannings in our query. And so we will try to optimize this in this video. Okay, so the way that we can optimize our query is by using indexing. So basically, we will create an index in this column, in this join, and also in this column, in this join, in this join, in this join, and also in this where clause, and also in this aggregate function to make our query even faster. So create index and the index name. Here I'll just do it work hard dot and then on production dot work order, and we can specify the column which is going to be this one, and it will create an index in this product ID column. And next, create index. And next one is going to be this production.product table, which is our PR. And here PR is being used um, in here, in here, and also in this reorder point, and also finished goods flags, which are the columns that we want to create an index on. And we can just merge that into one create index or one line using the composite indexes. And we can specify all of this and this column and also this column, making this a composite index so that the queries can be faster. And then finally, we will create our last index, which is going to be this product inventory. And here we can see that product inventory or PI is being used in this product ID and also product PI dot quantity. And so we can just do it like the second index. We can merge it into a composite index. And so after this, we can just try to execute this query. And as we can see, the query has been executed, and the execute time is this. And so we can just execute this explain analyze again. And as we can see, the execution time this time is 32.123 milliseconds. Here we have index only scan using index plot ID underscore quantity on product inventory or PI. So this is the impact of the indexing. It uses the index only scan on some of the sequential scans. It depends on the uh, quantity of data of the table itself. Here we have the example of the indexing working. And as we can see, the execution time is 32.123 milliseconds, which means our query is more enhanced and also faster. Okay, so that is all from me. Thank you for watching.